This machine weighs 7,000 pounds. It costs at least $5 million. And AMD says it ships later this year. Its name is Helios, AMD's first rack-scale AI system. Not merely a faster chip, a complete answer to Nvidia's machine. For years, Nvidia's advantage lived beyond the silicon. It lived in networking, cooling, software, and the way thousands of parts behave as one. Helios is AMD trying to sell that whole organism. Microsoft has signed on, joining Meta, OpenAI, and Oracle. But the first-generation system may cost at least $1 million more than Nvidia's Vera Rubin. So the contest is not won on price. AMD must prove that customers can install it, run it, and keep it alive at data center scale. The chip is now the smallest part of the promise. The new AI race is not chip against chip. It is factory against factory. That is why Helios matters. AMD is finally challenging Nvidia where its moat is deepest, the entire machine.